Click on the link below to get price. The CH1501 Embroidery Machine is a true game changer for anyone looking to elevate their embroidery projects, particularly in the realm of hat customization. With its 15-needle configuration, this commercial-grade digital hat embroidery machine offers a blend of versatility, speed, and precision that is hard to find in other models. One of the standout features of the CH1501 is its impressive needle capacity. The 15 needles allow for a greater variety of thread colors to be used simultaneously, which is ideal for complex designs and logos. This eliminates the frustration of constantly changing threads, thus streamlining the embroidery process and enhancing productivity, especially beneficial for small businesses or hobbyists who want to take their craft to the next level. The machine boasts an intuitive digital interface that simplifies the navigation through its various functions. Users can easily select different designs, adjust thread tension, and customize settings according to their specific needs. The built-in memory can store numerous designs, allowing for quick access when needed. Additionally, compatibility with USB drives enables easy design uploads, making it a breeze to transfer files from your computer. Speed is another critical factor where the CH1501 shines. With a sewing speed of up to 1,000 stitches per minute, it significantly reduces production time without compromising on quality. The machine also features an automatic thread trimmer, which not only saves time but also ensures clean finishes on every project. While the machine is packed with features, it's essential to note that it may require a learning curve for those new to embroidery machines. However, with the comprehensive manual and available online tutorials, users can quickly get up to speed. In terms of build quality, the CH1501 feels robust and well-engineered, designed to withstand the demands of commercial use. Its compact size also allows for easy placement in smaller workspaces, which is a plus for home-based entrepreneurs. Overall, the CH1501 embroidery machine is an exceptional investment for anyone serious about embroidery, especially hat customization. Its advanced features, combined with its ease of use, make it one of the